You're a coffee lover, you know how vital it is to have a versatile coffee maker that suits your lifestyle. This Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker promises a delightful coffee experience. Whether you're craving a refreshing iced coffee on a hot day or a piping hot brew to start your morning, this single-serve coffee maker combines functionality, ease of use, and versatility to give you the perfect cup of coffee every time. Why choose the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker? Imagine waking up to a coffee maker that effortlessly brews both hot and iced coffee. Sounds amazing, right? The Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker offers just that and more. With this machine, you're not just making coffee, you're crafting the perfect drink tailored to your specific taste. What sets the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker apart is its deep coffee extraction technology. This feature ensures that whether you're brewing hot coffee or pouring it over ice, you get a rich, full-bodied flavor without compromising on strength. It's like having your very own barista at home, ready to serve up your favorite beverage at the touch of a button. But what truly makes this coffee maker stand out? It's the attention to detail and the thoughtfulness behind every feature. This machine is not just a coffee maker. It's a tool that empowers you to create a personalized coffee experience, whether you're a casual coffee drinker or an aficionado. Let's dive deeper into what makes this product a must-have for your kitchen. 1. All-in-one, iced and hot coffee maker. With the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker, you get the best of both worlds. Hot and iced coffee in one sleek machine. Whether you prefer using K-cups or ground coffee, this coffee maker has you covered. It's equipped with a reusable ground coffee filter, allowing you to enjoy bold and flavorful coffee, minus the waste. No more limiting yourself to just one type of coffee. This machine lets you switch between hot and iced, and between K-cups and ground coffee, all with ease. 2. Perfect iced coffee, every time. Making iced coffee at home can be tricky. Pouring regular hot coffee over ice often results in a watery drink, while chilling it in the fridge can cause it to oxidize, ruining the taste. The Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker solves this problem with its innovative over-ice function. Simply fill your cup with ice, press the button, and let the machine brew a strong, concentrated coffee that will taste perfect when the ice melts. This machine even offers tips to perfect your iced coffee game, such as using darker roasted beans or replacing ice cubes with coffee ice cubes to prevent watering down your drink. 3. Compact and travel-friendly. One of the best features of the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker is its compact size. You're tight on counter space or want a coffee maker you can take on the go, this machine fits the bill. It's small enough to fit in any kitchen, office, dorm room, or even your RV. Plus, it's compatible with travel mugs up to 6.7 inches tall, so you can easily brew your coffee and take it with you wherever you go. 4. Easy to use and maintain. Brewing coffee shouldn't be complicated, and with the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker, it isn't. The machine features a straightforward design with easy-to-read water markings inside the reservoir. Depending on your taste preference, you can brew 6, 8, 10, or 14 ounces of coffee. Plus, the self-cleaning and descaling reminder takes the hassle out of maintenance. When it's time to clean, just follow the simple instructions and your coffee maker will stay in tip-top shape. 5. Healthy, safe, and sustainable. Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that every cup of coffee you brew is safe and free from harmful chemicals. Its design also prioritizes sustainability. By using a smaller water tank, the machine ensures that each brew uses fresh water, resulting in better-tasting coffee. And with its automatic shut-off feature, you can brew your coffee and go about your day without worrying about whether you left the machine on. Final thoughts. Is the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker worth it? If you're looking for a coffee maker that does it all, hot coffee, iced coffee, K-cups, and ground coffee, the Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker is a fantastic choice. Its versatility, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional, college student, or someone who simply loves a good cup of coffee, this machine is sure to meet your needs. Don't settle for ordinary coffee when you can have a personalized coffee experience every day. The Famiworths Iced Coffee Maker makes it easy to enjoy your favorite drinks exactly the way you like them. From strong iced coffee to smooth hot brews, this machine delivers high-quality results with minimal effort on your part. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.